So I welcome you to the lecture series on digital image processing. And I have started important MCQ question answering session, and this is very important for different competitive examinations like UC, NTNet, PhD entrance, ISRO scientist post and placement interviews, and other related high-level competitive examination. And I hope you have already attended the previous lectures of this MCQ series. So you know the rule. That is, after each question, I'll pause for a few seconds, within which you have to answer the question. And after the session, you let me know about your score. So let's start today's session. Today's first question is: dynamic range of imaging system is a ratio where the lower limit is determined by option A saturation, option B noise, option C brightness, option D contrast. And this question should be answered correctly by each of you because I have already explained the answers with explanation of this question. Yeah, the correct answer is, of course, B, that is noise. Question number 26: CAT in imaging stands for option A, computer aided telegraphy, option B, computer aided tomography, option C, computerized axial telegraphy, and option D, computerized axial tomography. And this CAT term is very famous, and I suggest that all of you have to know a little bit about this CAT. Okay, and answer to this question is option D, that is computerized axial tomography. Industrial computerized axial tomography is based on image acquisition using sensor strips. Well, so that is CAT, and do note down few statements regarding CAT. Okay, so you have to gather some information about the CAT, and you'll let me know through comment. Now, next question is: the section of the real plane spanned by the coordinates of an image is called the fill in the blank. Option A, spatial domain. Option B, coordinate axis. Option C, plane of symmetry. Option D, none of dimension. And this question, you guys already know that I have repeated many times. See, important parts of the question is that real plane is spanned by the coordinates of an image. So I hope you have already got the answer. So what is the answer? Answer is option A, that is spatial domain. The section of the real plane spanned by the coordinates of an image is called the spatial domain, with x and y coordinates referred to as spatial coordinates. So that's it. Now, coming to question number 28, the difference is intensity between the highest and lowest intensity levels is known as, means the difference in intensity between the highest and the lowest intensity level. What is this? Okay, so option A, noise, option B, saturation, and option C, contrast, and option D, brightness. Just recall the initial lectures of my digital image processing. I have explained this. Well, I hope all of you are going to correctly answer this. So the answer is option C, that is contrast. Contrast is the measure of difference in intensity between the highest and lowest intensity levels in an image. So, guys, raise your hand if you correctly answer these questions. Okay, you just comment yes if you have correctly answered this, and no if you have not. Okay, so coming to the next question, that is question number 29. Fill in the blank is the effect caused by the use of an insufficient number of intensity levels in smooth areas of a digital image. Option A, Gaussian smooth. Option B, contouring. Option C, false contouring. And option D, interpolation. This is again a very important question. So you need to find out that technique, which is the effect caused by the use of an insufficient number of intensity levels in a smooth areas of a digital image. What is that? So answer to this question is C, that is false contouring. So false contouring is the effect caused by the use of an insufficient number of intensity levels in smooth areas of a digital image. It is so called because the ridges resemble the contours of a map. And about the contour, even I have introduced few practical lectures on contour, means how to find out the contour, how to draw contour, and different features of contour. And that lecture series is going on, and in near future I will bring over some important practical sessions on that. So guys, you will find the practical sessions uh, in my you know playlist, so of the practical digital image processing using OpenCV. So attempt them. Okay. So next question is, and today's last question, the process of using known data to estimate values at unknown location, okay, is called option A acquisition, option B interpolation, option C pixelation, option D none of the mentioned. The process of using known data to estimate values at unknown location. So what is that process known as? Well, your time started now. And the correct answer is B, that is interpolation. So, interpolation is the process used to estimate unknown location, and it is applied in all image resampling methods. Well, that's it. So, today's question is, I'm coming to the today's question. What do you understand by image resampling method, and why we need to apply image resampling method? Comment your answer. Guys, so take care. Bye bye, and thank you for attempting the lecture. Well, one request to all of you, as you know, these questions are important for all those aspirants, means preparing for different competitive examination. So you may share with them and also ask them to subscribe this channel, because in that way they will be notified about some important lecture that is particularly important for appearing different or preparing different competitive examinations. So guys, do that. Well then, thank you. Bye bye.